Hello guys, welcome to all of you in another lecture. And today we are going to start our installation process. In previous lecture I discussed about the Python and its benefits and our outline of this whole course. So in this lecture I'm gonna to discuss how we can install different IDs, and first of all for this lecture I'm going to use IDLE. There are different types of IDs available and you can use them any of them, and I will try to discuss all of them one by one in this lecture. For now I am going to discuss about IDLE. IDLE is very simple approach for using Python, and I am going to install it in my system. So for installation of IDLE, just open up your browser and go to and click there, right there, python.org, and here you can see python.org. It is the site where you can download the IDLE. So click on it, and now we are on this site, and here you can download different versions of Python, and just click on download button. Here you can see in top download button, and here are different mm, uh, um, here you can see different options available. You can choose any of them according to your operating system. For my operating system, I am using Windows, so I am clicking on Windows operating system. So click on Windows operating system, and here you will see different versions of Python which is available for your use. And the latest version of Python is 3.8 for use, but I think you should use one less than the latest version, and it is better approach. Sometimes we face some issues related to different types of issues so I think you should use 3.7, and here 3.7.7 I'm going to download this version, and you can see different options of available. Here you can download window help file, zip file, executable, web-based installer, and so on. But I am going to download executable file, so just click on executable installer. Here you will download executable file. It will take some time for downloading, so be patient please. Now open up your folder, go to download folder, click on it, and here you will see Python 3.7 has been downloaded. So just click on it. Here you will see different options, and now here you can see one box is checked by default, but second is not checked. So check both two boxes. Check on add Python 3.7 to Python path, and then click on install now. We need to install our system, and it will take some time for installation. It will take few seconds to install. And now you can see Python has been installed on our system. So close this window, and so now our IDLE has been downloaded and installed on our system. So for using it, just go to your start of window, and here go to P. This is P, list of P, and I have downloaded installed different versions of Python, but for now I am going to use 3.7. Just click on it, and here you will see different options of available. This is the IDLE, and this is the Python command line. So I am going to discuss both of them. So first of all, I think we should discuss command. Click on it, and here you will see Python is opened on command line. So this is very simple approach. If you are using just a few lines of code, you can use them. But if you have more than just few lines of code, then you should use ideally. So for using this command line, you can type anything. Let's say if I type print double quotation, then let's see I print my name, and then hit enter. So you can see it has my name has been printed. So this is a very simple approach for using Python. But if you are working with a large, more than just few lines of code, so for that you should use ideally, which is better approach. So for using idle without command line, just go to again P, click on Python 3.7 and click on idle. Here you will see there are two options. This simple 3.7 is CMD, command line, and this idle is idle ideally for Python. So just click on it, and now our Python window has been open. Idle window has been open, and it also gives us the command line interface. And this is the first interaction of our with ideally, and here you can also work with command line. So just click on print, then double quotation, and print anything that you want to print. So then hit enter, and the ABC has been printed. So if you want to save your project, first of all I'm explaining these options. So this file have different options. Open file, if you want to open and create any new file, you can click on new file. Then if you want to open your file, open, and then same way there are different options available: save or save as, and exit, close, etc. And edit option has also different options of available. If you can undo anything, you can click on undo. For redo, you can also click on redo, and cut to copy paste and so on. You can see them one by one, and you can explore them. Here you will also see different options, and debug, here are also different options. But for options, if you want to change your style of text, or you want to change the font size, you can just go to options and click on configure ideally. And here you will see different options are available in font tabs. If you want to change the text size, this is the text size. You just need to go to size and click on, by default is 10, and this given text size is 10. So if you want to change this text size, just go to size and choose any size that you want. And let's see, I have choose 14. And then if you want to bold that text, click on bold. If you don't want to use bold, then don't check. Let's see, I have checked bold, then apply, click on apply. So as you will see, our text size has been changed and window size is also changed. So just click on OK. And if you want to create any new file that you want to save for your future, so just click on file, click on new file, and here you will see a new file has been created, and here you can create your first Python program. So let's say I want to print and save my name again. So print anything that you want to print, and if you click on run, and here if you want to run this program or code, just go to run and then go to Python shell. Sorry, run module. And after clicking on run module, it will ask you to save it. Then click on OK and name it anything. Let's see my first Python UI program, and then click on OK. So some people are saying that we should also need to add .py extension, but in updated versions you will no need to add this .py extension, because it is also you can see this is also already a Python file. So just name your file and save it, and you will see now our Python program has been run. So this is what I have. This is for now, and in next upcoming lectures we will discuss in detail and we will program them. Thank you. If you like my video, then please like my video, share video, and if you have any query or question, just go to and comment your question. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.